Alright folks, today we're covering how to do the reverse dip mirror for Audis. So when you put the car in reverse, side view mirror over on your passenger side dips down to show you what's around you. So first thing we are going to do is over here, and mind you, we are in park right now. So in park, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our rear view mirror knob. You're going to move it over to the right. Once you move it over to the right, you're going to leave it there. Next step's going to be put the car into reverse. You can see we're in reverse here. Now use the adjustment knob to position the mirror downwards for parking scenarios. Once you've got your side view mirror positioned for reversing, to set and store the setting, you're going to go down here, put the car into park. You're going to undo your seat buckle, and you'll notice it has now moved back up to our normal position. So to test it out further, we're going to get back in the car, start it back up, continue, and we're going to put it into reverse. Let's see what happens. There it is. So you got to keep the knob over to the right as if you're adjusting that passenger side mirror. So next time you're in reverse, it'll dip to where you want it to.